YouTube friends and family. It is almost 11:30 at night. Coming to you real quick because the Dollar General clearance is going on tomorrow. I went out there this morning before work. I did post a short of the Brawny paper towel deal. Now, for 12 rolls of Costco brand paper towels, it's $20. For 12 rolls of Sam's Club paper towels, Members Mark, it's $20. But you got 12 rolls, double rolls of Brawny for $14.50 and a canister of Armor All wipes to clean the car. So get on that app, clip all the coupons. Because I probably missed deals. I was in a hurry this morning. I wasn't able to get it hooked up to Ibotta because you get an additional 50 cents off of 5 of them at Ibotta. So get there and do it in the morning. I'm putting this out tonight. Hopefully you wake up, see my bright face and my thumbnail. I might not even do a thumbnail. I don't know, but I'm just going to do like the Dollar General sign and alert. Great time to get the things you need. Some of it cheaper than the Dollar Tree. I promise you it's cheaper than the Dollar Tree. You're not getting a roll of paper towels from the Dollar Tree for under $1.50. And those little cheap, but them paper towels are awful. There's nothing you can do with those. Nothing. So, not only did I buy those 12 rolls, I grabbed another 2-pack to make up this deal. Because also they are printing coupons. They had coupons Monday through Friday. So I was able to use a coupon today. Plus, I'm store to store. And you'll see why I was store to store in a minute. But I had the $5 off Monday through Friday, okay? So I did get one Brawny on this order to top it off. Because I was like, I got $5 off. So this basically free. So why not add another one to my total, okay? Then we got, now this was expensive. However, it was buy one, get one free, which is not a horrible deal. I'm sure I missed the coupon on the app. Probably kicking myself because I was in a hurry. But life goes on. These Downy Fabric Softener Calm. This is a, 64 ounce for $11. Buy one, get one free. I need some pods. Should have been looking. But this was like an impromptu trip. I saw the Brawny deal on Facebook. Went out looking for that. And it turned into a whole lot of other stuff. But I still made it back home from work on time. Pat myself on the back for that. Dollar General opens at 8 o'clock in the morning. And as I told you in my previous haul, stop chasing Touchland dupes at Dollar Tree. Stop it. I didn't look for them in all 3 stores I went to this morning, but the one store I did actually check out the dollar aisle and look. I've been getting them pretty much at every Dollar General. While everybody running around the Dollar Trees to pay $1.25. These are $1. I finally used my citrus and I absolutely love it. And I'm saving my quota. $1. So this is cranberry sage. And this is coconut sandalwood. And I left some on the shelf because I probably got about 30 of these right now. I probably got about 30. So I'm good, but when I see new scents, I want to try them. So I at least grab 2 of each of the new scents. Because when I start giving them away at Christmas time, it's just going to be, they're going to be gone. Okay? And then these, men's lotion. Or, well, anybody lotion. This is anybody's lotion. Skin Health for All. Vaseline, good, tried, true, trusted. These are $2.10 for the event. Now remember, you also get the $5 off of 25. So that's why I bought, I went and perused the table to find some other stuff to buy. This was $1. Child, I don't know all the prices, but I will try to give them to you this time. These wipes, because I got a penny item in here, so stay tuned to the end, child. Stay tuned so you can see this surprise penny item. I almost fell out. I could not believe it. I was like, oh my goodness. Did not have a chance to go look for more, but I was so happy. It's been a minute since I've been penny shopping, and to just find that it wasn't even looking was amazing. So these these was too much. $270 less promo, $161. I don't know what's this. How much is? Oh, these were $1.35. These were $1.35, and they are 3-in-1 cleansing wipes by Believe. So $1.35. Okay. Oh, this was another order. Because again, store to store. And I want to say, this was it. The brownie. Yep. Okay. So, yeah, that $11 kind of hit me hard. But this order came to $22. Because this other stuff is from another order. So, yep. Make sure. Yep, this is from a separate order. So, I got these. These were a penny. A penny. So, look at the count. 12 Swiffer dusters. Gain scented. Just the dusters. I don't think the wine comes in here. But I already got wands all over my house. Yep, just the dusters. 12 pack. Here is the UPC if you want to capture it. To see if it is at your store. Let me get it in the middle. There you go. There's the UPC to see if it's at your store, if they have any in stock, and if they're a penny, more than likely, if they got them, they're a penny at your store. Wish I could have found about 12 of them, but I'm grateful for my penny item. Now, that was one order, and that was $22. Because it was, that $11 get one free was an odd thing for me to do, but it is what it is. Okay. Now, this is another order. Don't ask me how much they are, but I don't have that receipt over here. But it came to $3 and some change. It came to $3 and some change. So, I got the suet feeders. Now, the birds, I don't know. Do y'all have a success of birds eating that? Because I don't. They end up just being in the little cages going rotten. But I did grab 2. I say maybe if they're fresh, the birds may eat them. So, I bought 2. And then, of course, I bought some hummingbird food. This is not red, and I like this. It's a bag of sugar, basically. But they will eat this. So I bought 4 of these. I just cleared the shelf with the hummingbird nectar. And those 6 items were $3 and some change. It wasn't a whole $4 to get 4 of these and the 2 suet cakes. Now, that was another transaction at a store number 1 that I circle back to. Now, I circle back to store number 1 because, drum roll. Oh, this is the gardener in me. I am so freaking excited. The gardener in me. Now, if you want the UPC code, there it is. See that $8 price tag? I'm so happy. I had to do a dance about this one. Oh, because these do last in the garden 3-ish years. 3 years. And you might want to repot, freshen up your soil, Might need to be putting the stuff in the ground, but I ain't got nowhere to put the stuff in the ground. I love these for my fruit trees. $2. $2. Now I got all I need for the next 2-3 years. $2 each. So I found one at one store. I bought the 2 at this store, but they had stuff in the other 2. I was like, I'll be back. Can you clear them out for me and put them behind the register? I'm coming back. And after I found my brownie, which was what I left the house for, the paper towels, I went back. And then that's when I grabbed the hummingbird feeder and all that. Yeah. But I had an exciting day. I want to get up and go tomorrow. And it's 11:30, so let me upload this video. I'm going to upload it, get it out, give me a shower, get into bed, and try to get up again and do it in the morning. All right? We'll see. But as always, prep and pray. I hope you find the things you need and want at these deep, deep discounts of Dollar General. Cheaper than the Dollar Tree, cheaper than the Dollar Tree. So we got resources. We cannot keep whining about the Dollar Tree. We just cannot, because we can do better elsewhere, and they'll feel it eventually. So I ain't even sweating it, because if you always been doing this, you got everything you need. Half of that stuff I get from the Dollar Tree. I don't need it. I don't need it. But these right here, I needed these. I bought a total of 5 of them. I needed these. These will go to good use. So I got, several I need to repot. I'm pulling my blueberry bushes. So I was about to kind of really bring down the supply I had. So I'm like, he will provide. He will provide. So I'm glad you watched this video. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. I am soon coming with a, commission product. So please support that too. If you so choose, or if you can support that for me. And finally I can make something off of YouTube, because I am not monetized. I have been on YouTube for 3 years. If you want to go back and answer that question for that prize on another video. Not going to tell you which video, so go back and watch. And as always, prep and pray. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a tree. I love you to life. Bye-bye.